PNP MP withdraws statement made on political platform in East Portland. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, Dolphin Cove in Discovery Bay upsets residents and calls for the police to be more involved in efforts to curb crime in Waterford, Portmore. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question. And we're asking, what are the issues you would like to hear about on the political platform? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.